Hey, it's AP, and today I'm fixing my bathroom fan. Check it out. Does your bathroom fan sound like it's about to take off into space? Don't call an electrician. Don't call a plumber or an HVAC person. These bathroom fans are typically made to be replaced super simply. Our fan is probably about 20 years old at this point, and so over time it gets dusty, it gets worn. I mean, the fan is used 2 or 3 times a day, and so over time things just start to break down. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your bathroom fan, and the same process actually applies to the bathroom heater as well. So let's go up and take down the protective cover so we can get in and start replacing this fan. Come on, let's go. But before we go up there, let's go turn off the breaker. Okay, now we have to remove the cover. On mine, there are 2 screws that hold it in place. One here and one here. Just loosen these, then turn the cover to release it. Make sure you're holding it sturdy, as you don't want to drop it and break the glass. That would be bad. With the cover removed, you can now unplug the heating and light element. Next, loosen the screw that holds the housing in place. Oh, actually, let's remove the light bulb. Then we can start unscrewing stuff. There's 2 additional screws that hold the housing. Once the screws are loose, this pops out pretty easily. The fan is here, and it's just plugged into the main housing. Just unplug it, then remove the bottom screws here and loosen the 2 top screws in the crossbar, and then it just comes right out. There's 3 screws that hold the fan unit in place. Unscrew those and the fan comes right out. And there's the problem. Over time the fan came off the spindle thing, causing that awful sound. I could probably use some E6000 or 5-minute epoxy to fix this, but I already bought the replacement unit. If you were able to repair this with some sort of high-stress glue, let me know in the comments. I gave the housing a quick rinse because it was nasty. Now we just install the new fan. Reminder, the ground wire gets screwed to the housing. Oh, one last thing before we reinstall. The old housing had some insulation around the edge which got crumbly over the years. I had some door weather stripping handy, so just grabbed that and cut it to size. I'll leave a link to the kind I used. You can also just go get it at Home Depot. Now we remount the fan and tighten down the screws. Then plug it into the housing. Oh, pro tip, to get more space when you reinstall the heater, run the fan's plug cable over the crossbeam, not under like I'm showing here. I fixed it later. Finally, install the rest of the unit. Pretty much exactly the reverse in the way you removed it. Plug the power connector back in, and then turn the breaker back on. Now we're ready to test. Sounds good, so let's put the cover back on and wrap this up. This is a super simple DIY project. The fan part only cost maybe 50 bucks, if I remember correctly. I saved myself a couple $100 though in labor alone, and it only really took me 10 minutes of my time. Did you find this video helpful? Well, leave me a comment below. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. Plus, you don't want to miss out on future Fix-It videos. Who knows what's going to break down at your house, and maybe I can help you with that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.